Here is a quick project that I decided not to include in a previous video, as I had ended up going in a different direction. I was making 4 rigid shop weights and 4 leather shot bags for my shop. They required about 180 pounds of lead in total. When I'd checked the prices of lead shot, I'd found that it cost about $2 per pound of lead shot versus about 25 cents per pound of lead scrap. So it really made sense for me to try to make my own lead dripper. The first step was to make the steel pan to melt the lead. This is 3/16 inch thick steel to hopefully absorb more heat and allow for more even heating of the lead. The lead ingots would rest on a ramp and continuously feed the drippers. All of these welds just need to be lead tight and didn't need to be pretty. I used plasma torch tips for the drippers. Again, I didn't really care about diameter. I just wanted to turn my lead scrap into granular shot. If I did it again, I probably would invest in commercial dripper nozzles, or maybe try some MIG tips instead. Now to make the burner. This will be a simple propane burner tube made out of 3/4 inch copper pipe. These are 1/16 inch diameter holes spaced about 1/4 inch apart. All of these fittings are just friction fit. A 1/2 inch hole was also drilled through a coupler and the burner tube to serve as an adjustment for air intake at the end. There is also a 0 to 30 psi regulator at the tank. I am using an 030 MIG tip for the propane jet and a Camco quick release for the connection to the propane supply. This setup worked pretty well to melt the lead. I didn't need the shot to be a specific size or even terribly uniform for my bag weights, but by the end of this project I had found a much cheaper source online for the shot and decided to finish the bags using smaller diameter commercial lead shot. Maybe this will help someone as a jumping off point to make their own lead shot maker.